All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ram ProMaster. It is the 2500 high top, short wheelbase with no back windows, 153,000 miles. So this one here is going to be as is for the mileage. All right, we'll go real quick, show you guys what's going on. You got a front bumper. Looks good. Front hood. Got a bunch of little road dents, as you can see it on the camera. Boom. That's about it for that. Fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread here is at 12/32. Its door looks good. Here we do have a chip there and one over there. The rest of it looks pretty decent. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Rear driver steel wheel. Your tire thread is at 9/32. You got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a cloth seating. Does have the third or the middle seat as well. That thing with the armrest. All right, let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does have one key fob and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got AM, FM stereo system. You get your AC controls right down below. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 153. Saying the back lights are out. Front license plate. All right, and your mileage of 153, 357. Back lights are out. We'll probably put that thing together for you. All right, AC controls right down below. Let's see if that's true. One of them is out. This one here is out. One of my guys turned that on for you guys. No windows. This door does swing out all the way again. Likewise here. Boom. As you can see, your rear looks good. Rear cargo area. Your wheel wells look good. A couple of scratches and stuff like that, but no big deal. This is what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. Likewise, need a little bit of oil. Likewise here. This door looks good. And check out your roof. Quick. And your roof looks good. I don't see any problems there. Now I just want you to see the light did turn back on, so we're good there on that. All right. Is your border area looks good? Here's your your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire third is at 11/32. This sliding door looks good. It looks like it did have a wall divider here, but it's been taken out. So if you guys wanted to put it, the hardware is there, or the brackets are there. You guys just have to put a thing on it. Of course, this looks good. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. And just so nobody thinks I'm hiding anything, this seat here, no holes, no tears, no rips. That one either. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is at 9/32. Lights are working. Car is running. Folks, once again, a 2016 Ram ProMaster 2500 with 153,000 miles, as is for the mileage, folks. Thank you and happy bidding.